friends, I am well. How are you? Hello friends, did you hear that? Was that my sound? No, that wasn't my sound. That was basically an AI generated sound which completely sounded like me. So there is this tool named as Descript, using which you can generate your own voice without any recording. All you need to do is just to write a script. How you can do that, I'll be teaching you right now. So you'll go to the desktop mode, and here you will enter create new voice, and you'll write your name or anything that you want, confirm it, and after that you see here it is start recording, so you'll just click there and it will ask you to click this option record, and it is about to start your recording. So here it is so here you can see that there is a training script. You just click there, and there is a default training script because you'll be recording it. 100 years ago there were 1.5 billion people on earth. So this way you're supposed to record it for at least 10 minutes. If you do it for 20 minutes, that's more better. After 10 minutes, which is the minimum criteria, you'll get to save your recordings, and then you click submit training data, and then you record whatever has been written here. You just confirm it, then you submit, and after some time you'll get a mail of confirmation. Here it is, it has been submitted. So this was a short video about Descript. Hope you like it, and if you like this tool, then kindly mention in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.